Hey guys, today we're going to make a new almond biscuit. I'm always experimenting with things for Danny to eat, and he likes to have a biscuit first thing in the morning. The recipe I had used honey, and I'm trying to learn to cut some of the sweets and sugars and honey and stuff out. So this recipe is really simple. I've got 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of almond flour. We use the blanched almond flour. It doesn't have the husk in it and stuff like that. So to that I added my ½ teaspoon of salt and a whole teaspoon of baking powder. What we're adding in is 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm using a new pastry cutter that was sent to me. And this one is just right for a bowl like this, and you just cut in the butter. And it's good to have cold flour and cold butter. It mixes up better. And I keep my almond flour in the freezer so it's cold, and I took the butter straight out of the refrigerator. And you just want to get it in a few crumbles in your flour. It doesn't have to be totally mixed 100%, just so it has butter in it. That's what you're looking for. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. It's just kind of crumbled. You can also do this with your hand. The old-fashioned way is sit here and just mix it up. I have 3 egg whites, and you want to just make these kind of frothy. So you'll sit here and do this for about 3 minutes or so and just give it a frothy look. Okay, so you can see the froth on this. That's what you want. I'm going to add it to my mixture. And mix it together. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to put it in our pan and bake it. We have our biscuit dough out, and I'm just going to divide it up into these muffin tins. So I'm going to do it in 4 because this is a big muffin top pan, and I will try, if I can, to put a link in the description to a muffin top pan. I've had several people ask about these, and I'll see if I can find them on Amazon and put the link in there. And I'm just making them hold together there. It looks like a little small biscuit. I'm going to cut into it and add some cane syrup over it, and I'm going to get our taste tester in here to see what it tastes like. Okay guys, I have my taste tester. You saw my biscuit. I've taken the others out. Brown on the bottom, golden on top. I've cut this one. This is looking more like a biscuit, not like a muffin, like the regular ones I've been doing. We're going to give Mr. Danny this biscuit. We're going to see what he thinks about it. Now you want to try a bite without the syrup, maybe break off a piece. And see if we need to tweak something.
Okay.
Okay. So I've added our cane syrup that we made to his biscuit. Now you tell him what you think with and without the syrup. What's the deal with the biscuit? Because I'm always looking for something new to fix that he can't eat. The texture's more like a biscuit.
It's closer to a real biscuit
Than what I've been making, right?
yeah, than what you've been making. Because like you said, what you've been making has been more of a muffin type feel to it. This is more flaky.
Like a true biscuit should be. You could eat this, right?
Oh yeah. This
Okay.
is definitely better than what we've been having.
Okay. I'm going to be using this recipe more often now. And I'm probably going to double it so that I have at least 6 good biscuits. We both like the recipe. It tastes more like a biscuit than what I've been using. So my new almond biscuit recipe, what do you say?
It's better than the other one, let me say that.
He's almost eat it all.
I've almost eaten it all. So this is going to be the way to go.
You like this one better?
I like this one better.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
this one doesn't have a grainy taste. The other ones,
Yeah.
because it's almond, you have that grit left in your mouth.
Well, this is almond, but
I know, but this one's just different. This one doesn't have the grit left in your mouth.
I think it's the butter.
It
I
might
think it's
be.
cutting the butter in like I did.
Yeah.
I think that's what the difference is. The cold flour, cutting the butter in. I think that made a difference. So we're going to try it again. We're going to see how it does. And we found a new almond biscuit recipe, guys.
It's really good, guys. It really is.
Thank you. Talk to you later. And then I'm going to get you with a biscuit up close. That's what I want for a